Here I have Nothing Phone 1, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on this arrow here, tap on 3 dots, go to its settings, and here find press and hold shutter button and select take burst shot. So now let's try this burst shot out. So you just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot must start. So as you can see right now I took like 20 shots. It's the best that this device can do. And here you can review all these shots and like pick the one that fits you best. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.